Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, Mike's Drones and More, guys. And today I'm going to show you and do an overview of the Fat Shark OLED receiver that came with my Fat Shark Dominator V3s. So I said I was going to do a separate video on this, and I am. So you can already see that I have my TBS Triumph antenna already hooked up here. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So obviously to turn on the goggles, you just plug it in. When it initially comes on, you will see a small Fat Shark logo on there. So currently right now I'm on E6. Alright, so that's the last one that I wrote, and it kind of does that because it's going through here, but it doesn't normally scroll like that. So this is really easy to actually use. So if you want to just scan, you just hit it once and it'll go into scan mode. You see that it's starting to move across there, right? And then you can use the channel up button and the channel down button to go up and down on your different channels. So I'm currently on E2 now. That's the one that it found was the best signal, basically. Alright, so now to change bands, it's a little bit different. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold this button down for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you'll be able to see that once you push it like that, you'll go into your different bands and stuff like that. So currently I was on E, so if I wanted to, I can switch to band A, I can switch to band E, I can switch back to Fat Shark, and I can go into race band. So if I want to go into race band, I can just switch it right onto race band, and then up here I can use my channel up button and channel down button. And then so currently I'm on channel 6, so if I wanted to go down to say like race band 2, and it'll show you what race band you're on, and it'll show you the frequency number as well, because sometimes not all frequencies are the same on video transmitters. So that's really nice. You can actually say, okay, I need to be on race band 1. I can set my transmitter over here to whatever race band that I need to be on. And so, yeah, it was a little confusing when I first got this because I kept hitting the button and it wasn't doing anything, and I thought it was just stuck on Fat Shark, which it wasn't. It's just I wasn't doing it again. So again, to just scan, you just hit it once real quick like that, and it'll start going into scan mode, right? And then you can use the channel up, channel down button to go to whatever channel that you want. Now, if you want to actually change your band, you go ahead and hold it down for about 5 seconds till it starts scanning, and then quickly you can change in between the different bands to which you want to go. And this one you can do band A, you can do band E, you can do Fat Shark band, and you can also do race band. So those are the different options that you have with this receiver. So far, this is a great receiver. I really like it a lot. I've been using the TBS Triumph antenna a lot, and I've also been using my MJX Hobby triple patch feed, and it has actually been doing really good as well. And I will be testing out some more antennas to see which ones are the best. I may be doing an upgrade where I get something like either the Furious FPV, or I might try the Clearview. I'm not sure which one, but I'd like to get diversity just because the dual antenna would be nice. So I'm going to be working on that. But anyway, this is just my quick video on how to use the Fat Shark OLED receiver if you decide to get the Fat Shark basically ready to fly version of these particular goggles. Now there is 2 versions of this. There's the one that comes with the LED. I like the LED because I like the screen. I like being able to see. The other one that they have, I think, is called the Race Something receiver, and it's actually got dip switches that you can push up and down, and that determines on which band and channel that you're on within that. But I wanted to go with this one just because I got a lot of good reviews on it. People said they were really nice, so that's the reason that I went with this one. So yeah, so anyway guys, so that is my quick review of the, again, Fat Shark OLED receiver. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments below. If you like my review here of this receiver, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. I'd appreciate that. And if you like the channel, if you like my reviews, tips, and tricks, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there, and next to it there's a bell. Just let you know when we've got new videos. I have a new video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and every Sunday I do a channel update and Q&A for anybody that has questions of the week for me. So thank you guys for all, again, the support, all the questions. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you to each and every one of my patrons out there. I appreciate you guys very so much. And as always, guys, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.
Wow.